Indeed, the water I give them will become in them a spring of water welling up to eternal life. John 4:14.
Splash Camp 2019, and I loved making new friends, and it was really fun because you could swim, and there's like a dock that you can jump off, and there's a water slide. You can go fishing and canoeing and go on a boat ride, and you can make crafts and pick 3 activities that you like.
My favorite part of camp was hanging out with friends, making new friends, and going swimming.
I really liked fishing, and the boats there was very fun.
I like camp because fishing, the swimming, me making new friends.
The thing that I liked about camp was the swimming and the free time.
About camp was swimming and crafts.
What I liked about camp was meeting new people, swimming, still meeting new people.
My favorite thing about going to camp was mostly the friends that I made. They were all great people, and they had archery. That was so much fun because I love shooting arrows. And also the lake, because they allowed us to go fishing on it and canoeing and stuff.
So the experience here was great. I had a blast meeting new people and getting to learn about Christ together. It was an awesome experience, and I'll remember it for a long time.
was amazing, and I had such a fun time meeting new friends and connecting with God, and I will forever cherish and remember this. My favorite part was probably praise and worship time, because I loved getting to worship God.